Many businesses pay their salespeople a commission, a slice of every sale they bring in. ZetaFisc handles this end-to-end. You set up a sales rep once, tag them on the invoices they win, and the system works out what they have earned and helps you pay it. A sales rep is a person, and there are two kinds. One is your own staff member, paid through payroll. The other is an external, freelance agent, a person you pay directly, who you set up as a contractor. We will create one of each. Our external agent is a freelancer called Emeka is. Because we pay him directly, we first register him as a contractor, a vendor, with his own bank details. We open vendors under CRM and Operations Master. We fill in his full profile. His name as the vendor, Emeka is, the contact person, his email and phone, his tax identification number, and his address. Then his personal bank account, this is where his commission will be paid. We pick his bank from the list, then enter the account number, the account name, and the sort code. We set his payment terms to do on receipt, keep his status active, and add a note describing him. Then we save the full record. Emeka is now registered as a contractor. Now we make him a sales rep. Sales reps live under the sales menu. We open sales reps and add one. The rep code is generated for us. We set the commission he earns on each sale, 5%. Now the important choice, how this rep is paid. Because Emeka is an external freelancer, we choose vendor or contractor, that means his commission is paid out as a voucher. We then link him to the contractor record we just created. Linking the contractor fills in his name, email, and phone automatically. We just confirm them and add a note about him. Then we create the rep. Now the second kind, one of our own staff. Ada Okeke is on our payroll and also brings in sales. We add her as a rep too. We fill her details in full, her name, email, and phone, and set her commission rate to 4%. This time, for how she is paid, we choose staff, meaning her commission is added to her payslip and paid through payroll, and we link her to her staff record. We create her record. And there they are, both reps in the directory. Emeka, our external agent paid by voucher, and Ada, our staff member paid through payroll. Each has their own code, their own commission rate, and you can see Ada is linked to a staff member while Emeka is not. In the next video we will put one of them on a real sale and watch the commission flow all the way through to payment.